Bitfinex Borrow Investing Service Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get crypto lending wrong. They assume it's too risky or complicated. The surprising truth about Bitfinex Borrow is how it allows investors to borrow or lend cryptocurrency with flexible terms, and you won't believe the potential for passive income if used responsibly. Here's how it works. Bitfinex Borrow lets users lend their crypto to margin traders in exchange for interest payments or borrow crypto for trading. Lenders set rates, amounts, and terms, while borrowers can access liquidity without selling their holdings. For example, a user holding Bitcoin can lend it on Bitfinex to earn daily interest, while still retaining ownership. Most people get this wrong. They assume lending crypto is unsafe, but Bitfinex uses over-collateralized loans to protect lenders against default. Additional features include transparent borrowing rates, automated loan matching, and real-time reporting on interest earned. Users can diversify across different cryptocurrencies and adjust lending terms to suit their risk tolerance. However, there are considerations. Crypto markets are volatile, and while loans are over-collateralized, market swings can affect returns. Most people assume passive income is guaranteed. It's profitable, but requires understanding risks and monitoring markets. In conclusion, Bitfinex Borrow is ideal for crypto investors looking to generate interest income or access liquidity without selling assets. With proper risk management, it's a versatile tool for active and passive crypto strategies. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of crypto platforms and investment tools.